What's up, everyone? It's your friend Ricky J. Alvarez here, Ricky the Realtor with Boulevard Real Estate Alvarez and Associates, and it's our honor and pleasure to introduce you to our newest listing, our Pittsburg Heights Delight at 7 Bryce Avenue. Nestled in the charming city and also historic city of Pittsburg, California, this home offers 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms with 1,738 square feet of living space on a lot of 7,810 square feet. This light and bright home is completely remodeled, has an oversized living room that flows right into the kitchen, entertaining your guests. And also the backyard, perfect for entertaining. Have you seen this beautiful hardscape and landscape? To keep those parties alive, you have a deck, you have a patio, and you also have a beautiful lush lawn as well to enjoy. And talk about location. We're near Buchanan Park, right down the hill, and there's also golf courses, shopping, dining, you name it. You have to come out and take a look at it for yourself. Welcome to your crib.